Hello students, in this video let's see the shortcut for postal service, particularly about 6 mail channels. So this is very useful and this is very important 3-mark question. So watch this video without skipping. It may be around 1.5 minutes. So watch this video, it will be quite useful. So let's move into the video. Indian Postal Network is the largest network in the world. It handles parcels as well as written communication. Okay. Then there are two class mails, the first class mail and second class mail. First class mail includes cards and envelopes and it covers land and air. Second class mail includes book packets, registered newspapers, periodicals. It covers land and water. To ensure fast delivery, they have created 6 channels. Okay, so for that you just remember this sentence, that is Sachin bought groundnut, rajma and peas. You can remember at least GRBE. Okay, so GRB also you can remember. So groundnut, rajma and peas from big basket. Okay, so the first word Sachin is there, right? So S stands for 6. CH stands for channels. Okay, then groundnut GR is there, right? So GR stands for green channel. Then Rajma RAG stands for RAJ stands for Rajdhani channel. Then M stands for metro channel. Then P, that P stands for periodical channel. Then big, that is business channel. Then basket bulk mail channel. That's all. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.